lawyers note that law enforcement is a shield that protects Americans. It cannot be used as a weapon for political purposes. Now, my view here is that Trump has been most successful when he's on the offensive. So it was indeed good news to see that the latest legal response to the raid is going on the offense.
Donald Trump struggled while shopping for attorneys, and it also appears that his attempt to shop for judges is not going great either. The Trump-appointed judge he just ran to yesterday is not responding well so far. Welcome into TYT's Overruled. I'm legal analyst Adrienne Lawrence. Donald Trump may not be having the best go at it when it comes to the federal bench in Florida. The judge he ran to yesterday, asking to appoint a special master, is giving him big legal side-eye. Here's the gist. On Monday, the federal judge who signed the Mar-a-Lago search warrant, Judge Bruce Reinhart, told the government to propose redactions to the supporting affidavit. He also said that he could still be persuaded to keep the whole affidavit sealed, much to Trump's chagrin. And just a few hours later, Team Trump decides to run to another federal judge in Florida to make a special request. Trump asked that an independent arbiter, known as a special master, be appointed to review the documents seized by the FBI in the Mar-a-Lago search. That judge, Aileen Cannon, was appointed by Trump and is a staunch conservative, card-carrying member of the Federalist Society. But it also appears she's not necessarily here for the nonsense. In response to Trump's motion, Judge Cannon responded with this. The court is in receipt of plaintiff's motion for judicial oversight and additional relief. To facilitate appropriate resolution, on or before August 26, 2022, plaintiff shall file a supplement to the motion further elaborating on the following. 1. The asserted basis for the exercise of this court's jurisdiction, whether legal, equitable, anomalous, or both. 2. The framework applicable to the exercise of such jurisdiction. 3. The precise relief sought, including any request for injunctive relief pending resolution of the motion. 4. The effect, if any, of the proceeding before Magistrate Judge Bruce Reinhart. And 5. The status of plaintiff's efforts to perfect service on defendant. Translation. Why are you coming to me? How am I supposed to deal with this? What exactly do you expect me to do? Why didn't you go to Judge Reinhart? Let me know by Friday. Yeah, that's just about it. Judge Cannon recognizes that Trump's motion, which is laden with outrage and accusations of political attack, is really on the struggle bus in terms of legal arguments. She also appears to recognize that she is not the appropriate judge here. Now, although the Southern District of Florida randomly assigns cases to judges, this case should have been assigned to a judge in a whole different division. Though that's West Palm Beach, not where Judge Cannon sits, which is about an hour away in Fort Pierce. Also, the duty judge assigned to new cases was a completely different judge. All said, Judge Cannon knows something is fishy and she is pushing back. So even if she bleeds red, she may not be inclined to compromise her legitimacy on the bench by backing Trump. But if she doesn't kick the case back to Judge Reinhart and Trump's legal team responds to her liking, here's what could happen. This per the New York Times. If the judge who received the motion, Aileen M. Cannon, appoints a special master to the case, it will almost certainly drag out the process of reviewing the multiple boxes of documents that were seized and slow down the government's investigation into whether Mr. Trump obstructed a federal inquiry and wrongfully retained national defense documents. Delay tactics sound right on par for Donald Trump. But this wouldn't be the first time Trump got a special master appointed. He did this before following the search of Michael Cohen's office in 2018. The only difference here is that Trump acted swiftly back then, filing a motion for special master within hours of the search. This time, he's waited over 2 weeks after the search of Mar-a-Lago to seek a special master. That could undermine his request for the motion, as the government may have already weeded through a number of those 26 boxes of documents that were hauled away from Mar-a-Lago. Even so, Trump will continue to try to delay, I'm sure. We'll have to see how this will all shake out, but you let me know how you think it'll go. Hit me up in the comments below, hit that like and follow button, and thanks for watching.